Hold on, baby. Mail call from ThermoWorks. Let's see what's inside. The RFX with some Jelly Bellies. Thank you, Thank you, ThermoWorks. Look at this. 3 6-probe RFX. Here's the gateway. You have a great thermometer here. Plugs on there. Figure out how hot temperatures are. You have all these silicone probes where you can attach to each individual to know exactly which color is at which temperature. You got your power cord right here, and all regulated by the ThermoWorks app. All of this is regulated by the ThermoWorks app. Cannot wait to get this thing rolling. Thank y'all so much. Get ready for some long smokes.